Bonsoir Kevin, nous avons eu notre cours il y a quelques heures, il n'y a pas très longtemps en fait, il y a 1 heure, et voici le résumé de ce que nous avons fait. Alors, on avait parlé du premier groupe et du deuxième groupe. Alors, qu'est-ce qui se passe ici? Je vais essayer de résumer un maximum. Alors, je vais prendre TextEdit, voilà, ça c'est toutes les choses que je dois faire. Alors, on va les mettre de côté. Tu vois, j'enseigne l'italien aussi. Et si, Signor. Ok, allez. Ecco quoi. Et voilà. Alors, on va mettre un petit peu plus grand et puis on va résumer. Alors, le premier groupe, le premier groupe, on a des verbes comme parler. C'est tous les verbes en ER, d'accord? Sauf aller. Parce que aller, c'est un verbe irrégulier et on va le conjuguer comme ça. Je vais, tu vas, il va, nous allons, vous allez, ils vont, elles vont. Ok? Bon, on est. Alors pour parler, on n'a pas vraiment de problème. Ce qu'on fait, c'est qu'on enlève le ER. Mais tiens, on va le barrer. Est-ce qu'on peut le barrer ici? Ah, on peut pas le barrer. On va le mettre. On va le mettre en rouge. Ah, ça marche pas. On va le mettre. Ah, c'est ici que ça marche. Voilà. On va le mettre en rouge. Ah, ça marche pas. Alors, ce qui se passe, c'est que on va. I thought something was not going on, was not working. Désolé pour ça. Alors, ce qu'on va faire, c'est qu'on va arrêter. Voilà. Alors, le parler, on enlève le R, ER, et on va finir par ça. Voilà. Donc, je parle, tu parles, il parle, nous parlons, vous parlez, il parle. Attention, il parle. Ok, ça c'est un son E, parle. Alors ça, c'est le verbe du premier groupe. Ensuite, on a les verbes du deuxième groupe. Qu'est-ce que ça veut dire? Eh bien, on a some ion verbs. Ok? Comme les verbes comme finir, choisir, grandir, grossir, maigrir. So to finish, to choose, to grow, to gain weight, to lose weight, etc. On revient là-dessus. Alors, qu'est-ce qui se passe? On a le même pattern. Not pattern, on a le même comportement. We have the same behavior. OK? So, je finis. OK. Easy. Tu finis. OK. Il finit. So, what I can do is I can drop, let's say, I'm going to do that here. I'm going to drop the IR and I'm going to end up with fin. Fin. And I'm going to add plus IS, IS, IT, I double S O N S, I double S E Z, and I double S E N T. Ok? Et on est 10. So, je finis, tu finis, il finit. Nous finissons. Vous finissez. Ils finissent. It's the same for the other guys. Okay? So we know the pattern here. We know how to deal with the second group. That's it. But we don't have all ion verbs, just some of them. So, so we have the dialogue from podcast. That's here. Actually, I'm gonna copy the link. Okay. Coming back to TextEdit because I don't use another one for the time being. It's annoying. Up. Here we go. And so basically, they are talking about the second group on the dialogue. It's pretty light, but it's not negligible. So, when you have this question, what does it mean? Qu'est-ce que ça veut dire? Okay? Qu'est-ce que ça veut dire? Now, let me just put this stuff here. So, qu'est-ce que ça veut dire means, what does that mean? What does that mean? Okay? And you're gonna learn a new verb which is called vouloir dire. Vouloir dire, I don't know if I can show it, that means to mean. So if I say, je veux dire. So it's like a double verb. Okay, it's a double verb in French. So, avant, après, so pendant, during, après, after, avant, before, up. Okay. Making sure I can have the space. Okay. Pendant, après, avant. Okay. So now, to become, I want to simplify here. It's very late right now. Not coming back to this. No. Okay. So to become is like to devenir. Okay. Devenir, to become. Okay. Rendre, we can say rendre un livre. That means to give back or bring back, depending on the context. A book. Okay. Devenir, I can say il est devenu médecin. He became a doctor. He became a doctor. So here, devenir, there is an idea of evolution, transformation. Okay, I think I wrote it somewhere, but I don't remember where it is. There's an idea of, you know, it's from one state to another one. Like, for instance, childhood, teenager, adulthood. Yeah, and I think it's here. Voilà. So, devenir rouge means to blush. It's just one meaning. Okay? To blush. And here we have, ça dépend du contexte. It depends the context. Hein? And we have also élargi. Bon, élargir, s'élargir. Depends. Hein? Okay? Is to stretch out, enlarge. Okay, there's an idea of crafty. Okay, it's crafty, but not just that, because we have a lot of idiomatic expressions with this verb. Élargir. Okay, rendre. So rendre is to give back. Okay, but not always. Okay. So that depends on the context. It depends what comes after. So it's not always so specific, very precise science. Okay. So devenir rouge is to blush. Okay, we have that here. Devenir noir, noircir is to become black. Okay, sorry about the mess outside. And rendre is to, you know, it's a crafty consequence, but it's not always. It depends what kind of rendre service, for instance, is to give a service. Okay, so we can have to get, to give. It depends the context. So I would say noircir. Okay, it becomes black. Rougir means to become red, to get red, but you can also blush. And élargir is to become bigger, enlarge, large. We can have this word here, large, to extend, increase. Okay. So I told you about the second group, but in fact, actually what I can do is, so this, you may not need it, okay? So we can just be like, okay, well, it's like optional. But now I want to talk about ion verbs in the third group. Yeah, because we have a lot of groups. Actually, just 3. But the third group has different subcategories. So like, for instance, we have a IR group. Those guys are considered to be irregular verbs. Okay. Les verbes irréguliers. Okay. And we have, like, for instance, dormir, which is to sleep. So we can say je dors, tu dors, il dort, nous dormons, vous dormez, ils dorment. Okay. So that is considered to be irregular. For me, it's more regular. It's a tiny bit more simple. These guys here are considered to be regular. Go figure. So anyway, So in this tribe, we can say dormir. So, non, non, sortir, je sors, tu sors, il sort, nous sortons, vous sortez, and ils sortent. Okay? To go out. So, sortir. Anyways, that is about it. Okay, think about the third groups. First one, ion verbs except aller. Second group, some ion verbs, they have this double S with nous, vous, il. And we have a third group with a lot of irregularities. So I consider to be like, this is like the third group is like the irregular group. So they don't follow a lot of patterns, but we can still make sense out of this. So third group, that's something we're going to approach tomorrow. So I try to summarize as much as I could. I'm not going through all my transcript because it's a waste of time and you're going to be confused. So I'm trying to find a way for you to remember the essential. So when you go to this, okay, so you can listen to it. Hein? Noircir, to make something black. Rougir, to blush or to make something red. Okay. So devenir means to become. Rendre can be to give back or to make red, to make something red. Okay. Un sens is a meaning. Ça dépend des mots, it depends the words. Now it depends the context, sir. So élargir, to make bigger. Rendre large is like you make something larger. Okay. So élargir can be a company. It can be a lot of situations. Devenir large, to become large. So be careful of this expression because it can also mean that you are becoming more voluminous, meaning that you gain weight or something. Okay. So I don't like memorization is cheap. There is no understanding. That's cheap teaching. Sorry, dude, but that's what I think. So, ok, so je finis, tu finis, il finit, nous finissons, vous finissez, ils finissent. Je noircis, tu noircis, il noircit, nous noircissons, vous noircissez, ils noircissent. Okay? So, that is about, do you have a lesson? If you click on it, you can see, first of all, you can print out everything. You have different examples of the ion verbs, okay? Choisir, to choose. Agir, to act. Grandir, to grow. Subir, to... How can I translate that? Subir... to suffer, yeah. To suffer something. Subir. Accomplir, to accomplish. Saisir, to seize something. Approfondir, to make something deeper. You get into details. Mincir, it's like maigrir, but it's more like to lose weight, basically. To slim down. And we have other verbs concerning the second group, but I'm all about the strategy here. I want to learn the verb that can be very useful to me. Agir, atterrir, to land. Bâtir, to build. Choisir, to define, définir. So after it's just a matter of your world. What do you need? Okay. Investir, to invest, etc. Anyways, I'll send you a page of exercises. I hope you're going to have time to do that tomorrow. Okay. Au revoir, Kevin. On se voit donc demain soir à 8h, New York time. Au revoir.